Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shribala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking. Hi, hope you had a fabulous Deepavali. We are nearing the Kartik Purnima. So today I am going to teach you a very awesome Pori Urunda for the Kartike Deepam, which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Come, let's see it. Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making this Pori Urunda. It is basically made with poha, murmura or also paddy. Paddy is little tough to do. For a beginner, poha will be better. It's easy to handle and the volume is also less. You'll easily get it in your city. It is not the normal murmura, it is the poha murmura. You'll have to choose that and get this. As soon as you buy that, just dry roast it for few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Just give it a heat that is sufficient, so that when we are adding the jaggery syrup, it will be easy to mold it into a laddu. Urunda means laddu. It is generally done on a Kartik Purnami. Now I am adding the chutney dal and peanuts. That also I am roasting and adding it here. Next comes the copra, the dry coconut. That also needs to be roasted nicely. That can be roasted in ghee. It gives you a nice flavor. Spread it across the puffed rice or the murmura. Now for 1.5 cups of jaggery, 1.5 cups of water and give it a nice boil. Add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of ghee. It will open out the flavors. You can crush the jaggery and keep it and give it a nice boil. After boiling, filter it for impurities. This jaggery is the one which is fit for making jaggery syrup. We call it Pagavellam in Tamil. You need to buy that specific jaggery. It's a very important step now, learning to make the sugar syrup for this particular laddu, the murmura laddu. I'll teach you. I'll show you in stages as to how the consistency becomes thicker. We have a simple test. Just drop it in water. This is disintegrating, so this is not good enough. Again heat it. I'm going to add it in that. This again is not good enough. This is good enough. Maybe not. We'll try. No, I'm not happy. I'm going to boil it again. It is not sticking properly. It is not coming as a ball. I'm going to reheat it. Yes, this is the 4th time I'm going to do the test. Let's check now. Yes, it is forming a nice crystal. See there? If I take it in my hand, it will become a nice ball. In this stage, I will add cardamom powder and dry ginger powder called the sukku. Hope you remember nicely the way I have done the sugar consistency. It's a very important tip, otherwise you won't be able to make the laddu. That's why I told you, don't try it with paddy murmura first as a beginner. Learn it with poha, then you can move to the paddy. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to mix this nicely and start adding that into the syrup. You can do it in stages. You can even split the syrup into 2 and add it in portions if you are able to do it that way, or together also. If you have got a help, then you can mix it together and do it, because you need heat also to mold it into a laddu. If the heat is lost in the in this mixture, you won't be able to hold them into a laddu. So it's little tough, this particular laddu. Many small nuances are involved. I'm adding little more ghee to get a nice flavor, and this will also help you to make the laddu without it sticking to your fingers. See the hand, I've applied ghee completely and it is really hot. In this stage, I'm going to gently roll it. By the time you finish, your hands will turn red because of the heat, but you can't help it. You need that heat to hold it into a laddu. It comes with practice. One is almost getting completed. It's got a nice round shape. I'm going to start the next one. See the way I'm doing it. Both the hands gently pressing it and then give it a nice shape. In case the heat comes down, the laddus will start disintegrating. You can reheat it, but don't overheat it, you'll get a burnt smell. So be careful. I hope you love this recipe and be doing it for the Kartik Purnami. Until we meet again, you can always follow me in all the other social media. The links are given in the description. Thank you and season greetings.